Hello students, welcome to Vipin Sharma Physics channel. Student, there is one question I have been asked by one of my student. He said, sir, when we walk over a snow track, we are advised not to take a large step. We are advised to take small steps. Why so? Can physics explain? Well, I'm always ready to explain anything related to physics, and I try to decode physics in day-to-day life. I said, yes, we can. Then how I analyzed, I am sharing with you. Well, it is a thought I am sharing with you. Like, we take a small step. See, this is we assume that our one leg is perpendicular and the other is like this, right? Like this, right? So when we take a small step, then the angle theta with the normal leg is very small. And this is 90 degree. I'm assuming that we have to, I'm trying to explain using the right angle triangle, right? So this is say O, A and B. This is 90, this is theta. So this is obviously 90 minus theta. You understand this? One leg is perpendicular and other is making an angle theta, right? So when we are making an angle theta and it is a small angle, so this is 90, this is theta, this is 90 minus theta. And you know, students, here you apply action with the calf muscle. With calf muscle, here you apply action force. Okay. Now, when you apply action force, it can be resolved into two components. I'm making one more figure here. So this is 90 minus theta. I'm taking out this portion here. This is 90 minus theta. Correct? Now, this is an action. So this is reaction this is action, and action, this is reaction. The reaction is R cos 90 minus theta. When reaction is R cos 90 minus theta, I'll be on this side so that it should be visible. Now, R cos 90 minus theta, if theta is small, the cos 90 minus theta is very small. Now, reaction cos 90 minus theta is small. As a result, the snow covered track, which is having a less friction available to us, will be able to impart that sufficient small reaction which will not make you to skid on the snow covered track. Because if you increase this R cos 90 minus theta, if you increase R cos 90 minus theta, so that reaction will not be available because you increase action, because R cos 90 minus theta is equal to A cos 90 minus theta. A cos 90 minus theta. The dear students, you have to give the limited action force on the snow covered track, when you have to give the limited action force on the snow covered track, you have to push the snow covered track with the limited force, because snow covered track will not be able to give you that high value of the reaction as you get on a normal track. Consequently, you get the required reaction which can be imparted to you by the snow covered track, and then you are able to walk without skidding and without slipping or without falling down. So when you have to walk on a snow covered track, you have to take a very, very small step. If you take a large step, you may skid. Simple it is. So dear students, it is basically all nature is physics. It's such a wonderful subject, you can explain anything, provided you have a will to explain. Once again, I will say, if you take a small step, then cos 90 minus theta, angle will increase. If theta is small, 90 minus theta will increase. As a result, cos will decrease. Cos will decrease. You can say 90 minus theta is equal to alpha. So A cos alpha equal to R cos alpha. If theta decreases, this implies alpha increases. If alpha increases, cos alpha decreases. Cos alpha decreases. Then A cos alpha means A cos alpha, the action decreases. The action decreases, the reaction decreases. So you get that value of reaction which the snow can give you. If you apply more action and snow is not able to provide you that sufficient reaction, so you will slip. Now look students, muscle energy is there, your weight is there, you cannot decrease weight. When you're standing, suppose you're 60 kilogram, so your weight will remain 60 kilogram. If you apply with the calf muscle force in the backward direction, then the reaction will automatically be there more. So you can decrease weight. What you can do? You can decrease the reaction by having this small value of theta. By having this small value of theta means you're taking a very, very small steps. So this is an English version, dost. So for English, there is a hard work I have to do for you, my students. So for only English learning students, follow this, and other than I will upload once again. Thank you. Hope it is clear. Keep sending your queries. I will be able to explain, but when? No promise, right? We'll try. Okay. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful learning physics from Vipin sir. This is your channel. Very simple. I'm using a chalk, a board, and a very simple duster. So I love simplicity and hope you will promote it. Thank you very much. God bless you.